Okay, today's job, we've got a Mixergy cylinder on an EcoDan's heat pump, and been called out to this. There's problems with it, losing pressure and a few other complaints. So looking at the job overall, looks relatively poorly installed. It's not neat and tidy, the insulation's poorly done. Looking at things like cabling, none of the cables are properly inserted in the cable glands. We've got exposed single insulated conductors. Cables that are just too tight, so this one here pulling, you can see here that the cables are too short, so the front of the booster box doesn't fit in. It's traipsed everywhere. Control valve for the hot water cylinder, you can see there, is unserviceable, can't get to it at all. So that's going to have to be moved into a serviceable position. And magnetic filter here is fitted back to front, it's round the wrong way, and all of the caps are missing off of the automatic air vents, and this one's been leaking for a while, this one already. That's got to be sorted out. So no supports for any of the pipes here in the middle here, this lot's just dangling in middle space. Got a few clips up this part. Ton dish is incorrect for a G3, this has got to be extended up to comply. Expansion vessels totally unserviceable, can't get to the Schrader valves. That one's I think that one's just sat there balanced on top and wedged in position on a flexi on that one, so that's not great. So what we're going to have to do here is to get those two vessels up into the loft. So they're going to come up into this little pokey loft. So got the usual thing, the insulation guys have been in doing the usual throw it everywhere job. So look at the cabling, look. So anyway, we'll pop up a couple of pipes up there and we'll bring the expansion vessels up here somewhere. I don't know, maybe on this wall or something. Get them out the way so they can be serviced with ease. So probably have to put some boards down here. I'm not going to crawl over that. So we'll board this piece up to give us access to get over there, and then bring the pipework up and get it all insulated. So that's going to be today's job. You see the customer's got some loft legs there, so he's obviously intending to do some boarding up here at some stage. And, is that okay? The feet are stood on the joist there, but what's that, 6mm ply as a support. So you're going to come into service that and stand on 6mm ply. Okay. About the standard of the the wiring looks a bit better up here on this unit than it did on the one downstairs. So right. So now for the heat pump itself, we've got the wrong pump fitted. So we've got extremely low flow. This is just a normal head pump. 1565 Mitsubishi. I can't remember actually the one they do state for this system, but I did check with Mitsubishi and they gave me the spec. I have to look that up again and we have to get the pump in and change it. There was quite a few other bits and pieces. I'll filter downstairs sitting in a cupboard, and then we've got the flush valve just sited underneath the heat pump, which is on a wall out here, so can't get to it now. But anyway, if you want to do a flush on it, you're going to have to go to ladders to service the heat pump. You're going to need to put up a work platform to service it each year. That's going to be fun. But anyway, right, so that's the job. We've got all this to neaten up, all these cables to neaten up, all the stuff to reposition, to give access to, and find out why we've got, I think the flow is about 1/4 of what it should be at the moment. I've got to double check all that. Anyway, let the fun commence. I hope that helps.